गली गली तेरी लाज जली जियो रे बाहुबली।
Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. I hope you're fine. Finally I'm going to review a pizza from Pizzawood, and this video is sponsored by Pizzawood. You can check their Instagram ID Pizzawood Ujhorot. I will put their link in the description box, and also you are seeing here. So you can easily order a pizza, and they are too fast. I ordered like 2 o'clock and they called me before 5 minutes. Then I went there for like I need 5 minutes to go there, and they are on time. They are on time. So it's totally fast, and you can easily purchase a pizza. And inside the pizza name is Bahubali. It's really interesting, and let's see that footage from where I received this pizza. Hello viewers, Dobry dzień. Jak sprawy? How are you? I hope you are fine. Today is Tuesday and now it's 2 o'clock. Exact 2 o'clock. And the pizza delivery man called me before 5 minutes. So now we are going to take our pizza, Bahubali. So let's see what's inside. It's really heavy raining today, but now it's almost under control. There's a signal. Mamun bhai, what's your feelings?
I will see how is this pizza. I don't know about this. I never taste.
Are you excited?
Yes, of course. New things. Of course, I get it. Come.
It's gonna be a new thing today. First time we're going to review a pizza, and I'm in field. Let's see. Actually, they can't give me pizza in my home because in Korjo Street there's no vehicle allowed. So I need to come here near Luxor Plaza so that they can find me easily. Yes, the receipt. Wow, finally we got our
pizza. Good.
And it's totally free. I love free food. It's so nice. I love free food. Oh, finally we got our pizza, and we will review this so soon. Yeah. Pizzawood. Oh my God! Finally we got our pizza. This is Pizzawood, and inside this is Bahubali.
185.
Let's taste, and the price is
185.
185. So, but they give me it free. So let's unbox it, and there is the bill. As you can see, it's 185 hryvnia. So let's take it inside. So finally the pizza is here. Let's unbox it. Yeah. Boom. Oh my God, it's look yummy and delicious. So let's taste. I ordered this pizza and got this one, and the ingredients are tomato sauce, mozzarella chicken, chicken pickled by Indian spice, feta, chili and spicy. So let's taste. Here is the pizza. Let's taste. Oh my god, this is seriously delicious. It's like I'm eating one Indian food because the recipe is totally Indian. Well cooked, and the spice is much enough. Little spicy, but for Indian guys it's for you, especially it's for you. It's quite good. And if you want rating, then I will give 9.5 out of 10. It's really amazing. The chicken is well cooked and boiled. It's also tasting like a chicken curry, like Indian chicken curry. I'm surprised. Seriously, I'm surprised. I didn't expecting that much good from Pizzawood, and it's almost tasting like an Indian pizza. Hope you guys like this one. I tried Bahubali, and you can try another one. They have lots of pizza. Come. Let's go. Let's taste. And you can give your review.
Oops.
Come on.
Super.
I can talk.
It's really good. It's like so Indian.
Yes.
You guys should try it.
They tried best.
Yeah, Pizzawood is really very
I don't
good.
know who cooked this one. Maybe the chef would be Indian also. I don't know, but it's totally
Yeah, it's good.
thick and
How was your feeling?
Yeah, it's good.
oh my
You guys
god.
should try it.
Shabbai, what
Pizza
You
Wood.
must try it.
Pizzawood is really very good.
Oh.
Pizzawood, really very good.
Now, actually,
We should-
I tried
we should
lots
order.
of pizza, but
Let me try.
this one is the best I have ever tried in Uzhhorod, in Ukraine actually. You can see the thickness.
Yeah, it's very nice. So nice.
Oh my god.
I'll also give 9.5. It's so tasty.
What's your rating?
10 out of 10.
Oh. It's much big and the bigger size. And thanks to Pizzawood for giving us this pizza. And really, it's really tasty. And you can try. If you didn't like this one, message me on Instagram at that @SohanBlogs. And you can order from their Facebook page, their numbers, their Instagram, and also there's an website link. I will put everything in our description box and that pinned on the comment also. So try it. I hope
Everyone will like.
you will not deny the taste. It's really too much tasty. And the bun is also soft. I tried different pizzas. The bun is hard, but this bun is really
Biba pizza bun was
soft, really soft.
always. What's delicious. Super.
Smaczno.
Дуже смачно.
Almost finished, but really my tummy is also full by 2 slices of this pizza. And hope you guys enjoy this video and subscribe our channel, and also to have a tour on Pizzawood Uzhhorod.
Sure.
See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.